Hey, it's Emily from WTI. I am obsessed with this candle lighter. It's unique in so many ways. This is the electric candle lighter from REIDEA. What makes this thing so cool is that it's actually an electric arc lighter. So it's not using any kind of fuel. It's not going to run out of fuel. You'll be able to recharge it for hundreds, if not thousands of uses. And it's able to light candles, which is what I primarily use it for, but really anything flammable on fire without the use of fuel. So that makes it windproof, cost-effective, and doesn't rely on any kind of fossil fuels. It has great safety features as well. It has an on-off at the back, so you're never accidentally going to ignite it. It's really easy to charge with an included USB to mini USB charger. I have found that one full charge only takes an hour or two, but will last long enough for me to light my candles hundreds of times. This thing is easy to store, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty, which can give you a lot of confidence when coming to purchase it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I have had this for far longer than a year, and it is still recharging and lighting my candles like a dream. But this would also be an excellent thing to put in your emergency pack, in your first aid pack, or take with you on the go. Also, my daughter loved this so much that she kept stealing it from me. And when I told her she couldn't have it, she went and bought a different version, and it did not hold up as well. Hers only lasted a few months. So that is a great testimonial to the quality of this specific one from REIDEA. We've been really happy with it. I think you will too, and that's my point of view.